This one thing changed my entire fucking life forever. This one thing that I'm about to tell you in this quick YouTube video changed my entire life. It took me 5 years to learn this one thing, and I'm going to literally tell you what that thing is in under, let's say, 10-15 minutes. This is a no bullshit video. I'm not here to fuck around. I'm here to actually give you some actual genuine life-changing fucking advice and some shit that is actually going to help you. I don't care what situation you're in, where you're from, what gender you are. I don't give a fuck, because in this video I'm going to show you and tell you exactly what you need to do and what you need to learn in order to gain success, wealth, money and riches. I could come on here and give you all the fancy keyword bullshit that drives attention and views and likes and things like that, but at the end of the day, I want to give you one thing that is actually genuine and that is actually going to help you. Learning the skill of doing something until it works. I'm sure you've done something in the past and you did it for maybe 2 weeks, a month, and you gave up. Or even now, you do something for a short amount of time, you don't get the results and you quit. Of course, right? We all do it, because why would we waste our precious time doing something that isn't getting results, right? I want to show you guys something, and I think this will kind of tell you how I was able to be successful and how I was able to be successful so quickly. I grew up poor in Australia, living in the suburbs. I was extremely poor. I was homeless at one point. But one day I decided to make a change. I'm 21 now, but I decided to make a fucking change. I'm going to show you what that change consists of. This was me before all of this. So before the wealth, before the money, before the traveling, before everything, this was me. I want this to be as genuine and as authentic as fucking possible. I'm not some guru coming on here telling you some bullshit. This was me. I was working in a sales job at one point. Okay, you can see here. Again, to show you that I'm not bullshitting you. Nathaniel Greengrass, awesome work on the 5 sales. And you can see here, I made the company that I was working for $3,400 on that day. And guess what? I got fucking 0% commission. I was also at one point a tradie. Some people call you a white collar person. I was building houses. That is another thing that I was doing at the time. And again, here, I was working at a fast food place. I was working at Hungry Jack's. You can see me right there. All right. This is me. This was my life. I was making minimal wage, literally less than minimal wage. I was unhappy, I was drinking, and I wasn't doing the things that I needed to do. Why? Because I would try something and I would quit. I've been trying to make fucking money online for the last 6-7 fucking years. I tried crypto, NFTs, Etsy, dropshipping, reselling fucking lounges that you find on the street. I've tried everything. But I tried everything. That's the point that I'm getting at. I tried. I did it for 2 weeks, maybe a month, and I quit. I didn't see results straight away, so I quit. Now what I'm about to show you is the real shit. Okay, the real shit. Right here. Okay, I started my Instagram page. Okay, I started and I had no followers. I started completely new, and every single video that I was posting was not getting more than 600 views. I would post every single day, and I did that for months, but yet I was only getting 500 views. I was getting 13 likes, one of them being me every time. Before that is when I decided to make the change, and I decided to make the change of when I do something, I'm not going to stop until it works. I'm going to give it no other opportunity, no other chance in the world than for me to be successful. Next photo. 17,000 followers now. I get about 1,000 views on Instagram stories, so I get more views on my stories now than what I did in a whole video. I get the average of 1,000+ views. One of my videos has about 4 million views. I posted well over 100 times. I posted 2 to 3 things every single day. Every single day for like 9 months. I'm not fucking with you. Seriously, that's what I did. Okay, so I was consistent. Here, on my YouTube, I was posting 2 to 3 times every single week. And I was averaging 20 to 30 views on those videos, and I was getting like 2-3 likes. That was what I was doing. And I stuck with it every single week because I had the mindset that I'm not going to give up until it is fucking working. Okay? Now, today actually, I hit 1,000 subscribers and I am averaging about 1,000 views on my videos now, which is extremely above average than the other videos of what other people might be posting. Why? Because the shit that I talk about is actually genuine and authentic, okay? I went from averaging 20 views to 1,000 views in under a year. And I say under a year and it seems like a lot less time, but you realize that I had to post 2 to 3 times every single week to get that result. Now this is the thing that people don't explain to you. But then when they do explain it, you also don't understand. Because people say that they've made all this money, they've done all this crazy shit, but they don't show the hard work that actually went into it. And they don't tell you this one thing. You need to do it even when you're not seeing results. Kevin Hart said something like, the hardest part isn't seeing no results today. It is going into tomorrow, working harder than what you did yesterday, even if you didn't get those results. Every single day you need to go in harder, faster, more. Okay, you need to be fucking mentally prepared every single day to do what you need to do. Okay? Here. This was when I started my TikTok page. Some of you guys might know those days, all right? I started in 2023 on whatever day that is. Okay, I think that is the first of the month, all right? I was getting 30 likes. One of them was me, okay? 14 likes. Again, this is me working at my job. Right here, I was working at my job when I started recording videos. So I was making videos and content when I was working. So when people say, I don't have time, bullshit, you make the time, okay? I was on about 299 followers. Yeah. Crazy, right? Now, 22,000 followers, and I uploaded these 2 videos a few days ago, and 633,000 views and 246,000 views. This took me again a year, and I had people commenting on these photos telling me, you're not going to be successful, you won't make it, you won't do this, you can't do this. Little do they know, I was prepared to fucking do it until it worked. And now I've got people commenting on these exact videos saying, you made it, congratulations, good job, finally, amazing, blah, blah, blah. And with these 3 things that I have showed you, this generated me, okay, listen to this number, over $1.5 million in 2023. Yeah, $1.5 fucking million in 2020 fucking 3. These 3 platforms that I grinded, I fucking worked my ass off, and yet I'm still not where I want to be, right? But I'm in a position to where I'm able to generate income online and do whatever the fuck I want. So now I spend my time helping you. Okay, but this is the shit that I'm trying to tell you. Okay, there's a consistent thing throughout all of these things that I did that I'm now successful in. I did it until it worked. Even when I was getting shitty results, I still did it. I still showed up every day. Every single day I showed up. You want to know what it really takes to make money? This is what it takes. This is what it takes. It doesn't matter what you do. This is what it takes. Now this is my life. Travel to fucking San Francisco. Being in a fucking multi-million-dollar villa, hanging out with multi-millionaires. Okay, this is the beach on the villa. These are a few of the fucking guys that I was with on a yacht. Now this is in a period of 165 fucking days, 1 year. 1 year period from this dickhead to this dickhead. 1 year. And I'm on here telling you what you need to do. So it's up to you whether you're going to listen or not. You know what that is, okay? You know what this is. The golden steaks that you see everywhere, blah, blah, blah. Golden steaks, fucking amazing, right? Me, sipping some fucking wine and apple juice in a champagne glass. Because you can't take the broke out of the broke boy. Alright? Or what is it? You can't take the broke out of the rich boy. Alright? Now, what I'm about to show you in a second, right here, is something that actually means a lot to me. And I honestly started crying a little bit when I was making this. This is me and my partner when I had no money. Okay? I had stars on the curtain, I had a sheet on the wall, and this is what we did. This is what I looked like. This is what our life was. Now, I'm talking to the guys right now. As a man, that is the shittest fucking feeling. The worst feeling in the world is loving someone so much, but not being able to take care of them the way that you actually want. That is by far the worst feeling in the world, hands down. And that is what I was experiencing. Fast forward, we got engaged in Mexico. And now I've been able to retire her. Now she lives the life that she wants. She does the things that she wants. She buys the things that she desires. And we live the life of our dreams. Why am I doing this for her? Because she stayed around with me when I was at my worst and lowest point. And she stuck around all the way until the yachts, the cars, the champagne, the wine, all that other shit. But this is only because, and I preference by saying this, I did something and I stuck to it until it worked. The only reason, take away every factor in your life, where you're from, whatever, the only reason you aren't where you want to be is because you're not doing the things that you need to do. I didn't grow up any different from you. We are humans. But yet I'm here in my current position doing what I do, and then you're doing what you do, whether you love it or you hate it. I went from me struggling to make money, eat, put food on the table, to now helping other people change their lives. I'm not going to go through every single one of these. You can pause it if you want, but you can literally, again, pause it. I'm not going to go through them all, but now I'm in the position where I'm able to help other people achieve their dreams. Okay, I'm able to help people make $500 every single day, $200, $500, okay, thousands of dollars. I'm able to do this only because I set myself up. I set myself up to become the man that I wanted to be. Now you need to do the same, because you will not achieve this if you do not do what you need to do. Okay, got the podcast. I've got, this is just literally a handful. I've got fucking thousands of them. But I was only able to do this because I put in the work, I did what I needed to do, and I worked fucking hard. Please, if there is one thing that I want you to take away from this video, it's when you go and do something, whatever you go and do next, do not stop until it works. I want you to give life no other fucking opportunity, no other chance, no other decision than to make you fucking rich. Because that is what you need to do. You need to give life no other opportunity than to give you what you want. But with that comes time. But luckily, you might not have money, but you have all the time in the world to get that money. So make it happen. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you did enjoy. This was a very, very real video, and I hope you were able to actually take something away from what I brought to you. Drop a comment of whatever you enjoyed, or drop a comment saying whatever, and I look forward to seeing you fuckers on the next one. We've got some banging fucking shit coming out. I'm fucking excited. I'm excited because I'm in the position where I can sit here and talk shit to you guys and try and change your life, you watching this, and that's what I fucking love to do at the end of the day. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See you then.